Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the rugged smartphone world with the Samsung Galaxy XCover 7. Designed to withstand the elements, this phone promises durability and practicality without compromising on style. Let's see if it lives up to its rugged reputation. Starting with the design, the Galaxy XCover 7 impresses with its sleek appearance. Unlike typical bulky rugged phones, Samsung has managed to keep it relatively slim and ergonomic. The back cover is removable, allowing easy access to the battery and SIM card, which is a rare feature these days. However, the plastic back cover feels a bit flimsy and might not hold up to frequent removals. It's IP68 and MIL STD 810H compliant, ensuring it can handle dust, water, and drops. Moving on to the display, it's a 6.6-inch PLS LCD panel with a resolution of 2408 by 1080 pixels. Colors are vibrant, and the clarity is impressive for outdoor use. However, it's only 60 Hz, which might not satisfy users accustomed to smoother 120 Hz displays. The audio quality through the single speaker is decent, but nothing exceptional. Under the hood, the XCover 7 packs a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus 5G chipset, coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Performance is adequate for everyday tasks and light gaming, but it's not meant for heavy gaming or intensive applications. The battery life is reasonable, thanks to the 4050 mAh battery, and it supports 18W fast charging. Samsung's choice of Wi-Fi 5 instead of Wi-Fi 6 is a bit disappointing for faster data transfers. Let's talk about cameras. The Galaxy XCover 7 features a 50 megapixels main rear camera and a 5 megapixels front-facing camera. While the 50 megapixel sensor sounds impressive on paper, the actual photo quality is average. Images lack the detail and sharpness found in higher-end smartphone cameras. Video recording is capped at 1080p, which is a letdown considering many competitors offer 4K recording capabilities. In terms of software, it runs Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.0 interface. The user experience is smooth and intuitive, with Samsung's usual array of features and customization options. However, bloatware can still be a concern for some users. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 is a stylish rugged phone that offers basic durability and practicality. It's ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable device that can withstand rough conditions. However, if you prioritize camera quality or need higher performance for gaming, you might want to consider other options in this price range. That wraps up our review of the Samsung Galaxy XCover 7. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on rugged smartphones or if you have any questions about this device. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.